Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. So today's look, I'm going to be recreating this look done by Yami Angelina. I think that's how you say her name. So I always get inspo from her Instagram. I'm going to recreate this look on my sister. But first, we had to get, a little intro by baby girl.
Hi guys, it's me. You have seen me in a long time ago in Beat the Beat, Meet the Beat. So I just want to meet my fans out there again because I miss you all so much, and I just want to say I love all my fans, and that's all.
Now on to the real thing. All right, so I'm just gonna go in with Urban Decay's primer potion to just prime her eyebrows. Now I don't usually do this. I started her makeup, she was like, you're not gonna prime my eyebrows. My sister is a makeup artist too, so this video was very nerve-wracking. I was pretty nervous to do my sister's makeup because she's very particular about her brows for sure, and I was just so nervous doing her makeup. This was also her birthday, so I didn't want to mess up her birthday look, okay? But anyway, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown to, draw her brows on, get them popping. I'm going to go in with JUVIA'S Place I Am Magic Concealer to carve out her brows. I'm using the shade number 12, which was a really good shade on her. I liked it to carve the brows. I also mixed it in with some of her foundation later. But anyway, I'm just going to carve in her brow. We'll carve out her brow, whatever. You see what I'm doing, girl, okay? For eyes, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors FRIENDCATION palette by Desi and Katie. I actually meant to use the JACLYN palette, but they're both glittery and fancy looking, and I picked up the wrong one. But anyway, I'm just going to begin to work on her transition shades. The main attraction is going to be the glitter on this look, so you don't really got to waste a whole lot of time on the crease, honestly. Just, build it up, get it brown, get it nice and blended, and then pop in that glitter, okay? Now to begin cutting the crease, I'm going in with a flat brush, and I'm just going to use some concealer in the shade. I think this is a JUVIA'S Place concealer as well. I think I might have used shade like 16 or something. It was a lighter shade. I'm just using that to carve out her crease where I want that glitter to sit. All right, so once you get your crease carved out the way you want it, then I just like to stamp on, like a base shade before I do a glitter. So I'm using a really light kind of champagne shimmery color in the place of that from the JACLYN Hill palette by MORPHE. And then I'm going to use some dark shades to just kind of smoke out that outer crease. I mean, not the outer crease, the outer corner, y'all. I'm using like an eggplant shade, a dark brown, and a black mixed together to just smoke out that outer corner. Alright, so once you've got that blended the way you want it, you just want to go in with some type of adhesive. I'm using Duo Lash Glue in clear to make my glitter stick. And I'm using glitters from JLARUE Cosmetics called Gold Digger. I'm also mixing in a fine glitter called White Gold Glitter. It's by the same company. I just pretty much mixed those two together because I wanted the fine glitter to fit close to the eye, but I wanted the chunky glitter to add some depth. So, you know, I'm just doing a little mixy mix. Now, building up this much glitter, it takes a lot of time and patience. You got to go back and forth with the glue and the glitter, to get it exactly the way you want it. So it took a while, but I think it looks really good in the end. Now I'm going to move on to skin. I'm using NARS foundation mixed with that JUVIA'S Place concealer I was talking about earlier to get the perfect shade for my sister. And I'm just going to blend that all over and kind of do some highlighting as I go. I'm using that same JUVIA'S Place concealer. Look at my brother back there. We were getting ready to go out for my sister's birthday dinner, so you're gonna see a lot of movement in the background. Everybody was like scrambling around, getting ready, or whatever the case. She's a New Year's baby, so this video is going up kind of late, but whatevs. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in with some Studio Tech foundation by MAC in the shade NC45 just to bring a little bit of warmth into her skin. I'm not going to necessarily contour with this. This is just to, you know, warm it up a bit, add a little depth. Then I'm going to contour with something darker, of course. All my makeup mamas out there, you need to get some black opal foundation sticks. These sticks come in handy for so much. I love them all over the face. If you have, you know, a customer that can handle a dewy foundation look, I love them, love them, love them for contouring, and I also use them sometimes for highlighting. But they are beautiful as a contour, which is what I'm using right now. So now I'm just gonna go over everything with like a beauty wedge and back and forth between that and my brush just to make sure the blend is seamless. I don't want to see any harsh lines. I want to make sure that highlight blends into that contour and that contour blends into that foundation. I want it to be seamless. Now I'm just going to bake her skin a little bit. I'm just going to bake the highlighted areas and, you know, clean that contour a little bit with some powder. I'm using the Derma Blend translucent setting powder. This was my sister's powder. She said she likes it better than Laura Mercier right now. So I was like, you know what, let me try it and see how I like it on the client. I like it okay on myself, but I don't know, I prefer that Laura. I feel like it just locks it in a little better. But anywho, I'm just going to set below her contour and then set her under eye as well. Alright, so now that her under eye is set, I'm just going to go in with some blush, some color for the cheeks. I'm using a limited product by MAC. It was from their holiday collection. I don't even know the name of it. It's rubbed off by now, but it's like a pink and gold shimmery blush. But anyway, now I'm just going to go in with some Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC, Soft and Gentle mixed with Global Glow to highlight her. And then it is hard getting eyeliner over top of glitter, so you can do your liner first if you want, but I was just scared I would get fallout on the liner, so I just struggled with it after the fact. But anyway, it came out fine in the end. Now I'm just going to work on her lower lash line. I'm just smoking out those same crease colors and repeating those steps on the lower lash line. Now for lips, my sister loves a good nude, so that's what I'm going to go with today. I'm going to use Cork Liner by MAC and just create the perfect soft nude lip for her. And I think I added gloss too. I just love a good gloss. Now that I'm done with skin, her skin is looking flawless. I'm just going to set everything with the Morphe setting spray and just, you know, give it that polished look. And now for lashes, I'm going in with none other than Brooklyn Beauty Lashes. My best friend, my sister, she's launching her lash line really soon. So be on the lookout for that. Go ahead and follow her on Instagram at Brooklyn Beauty Lashes, so you can purchase. And now the completed look is done. Doesn't my sister look flawless? Oh my god, come on, birthday beats. Come on. She was getting so mad at me because I was gassing her up, but whatever. I'm so proud of myself with this makeup look. I think it came out really good. I don't usually work with glitter because my clients don't usually want that much drama, but my sister's all about the drama. Look at my brother back there photobombing. Anyway, go ahead and follow my sister on Instagram as well. Like I said, she's a makeup artist too. She's a lash tech. She's learning how to do nails. My sister does it all. She knows how to wax. Like, she's a licensed esthetician. So book my sis, okay? Get your lashes done. Get your Brazilian. Get your makeup done. Get your hair done. She does weave. She does wigs. Do it all. Come on. Serve it, sis. Serve it. Oh, you better come up. Oh my gosh, I'm hyped watching this video like I'm reliving the day. But whatever. Anyway, book me, book her, book my sister, buy some lashes, book us all. We're a talented ass family, okay? But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Peace and love.